here at Computex in Taipei, Taiwan. Ran into this guy, Steve, Gamers Nexus. We've actually been kind of communicating for years-ish on Twitter and stuff.
On Twitter,
So this is my first time in Taipei. I'm loving it. I've been here like 24 hours, I think. I don't know what day it is.
It's awesome.
So how many Computexes have you attended?
I've done from 2016 till now, with the gap for COVID in between. I don't know if you're, I don't know if TikTok allows you to say that word. So yeah, it's been a while now.
Okay. What keeps you coming back to Computex? I mean, obvious question and answer, but for you personally, what keeps you coming back?
Honestly, a lot of it is Taipei itself. I love it here. It's awesome. I love to go out and explore and walk around. A lot of good hiking. In terms of computers, specifically what I like is there's a lot better access to engineers, designers, mechanical designers that you don't get anywhere else. So like coming places like we're at the NACO booth by pure happenstance, I just got an awesome run through of fan manufacturing that I wouldn't have gotten anywhere else.
That's right.
So that's it.
All right. Well, more to come with him. I just watched this behind the scenes video.
That's right.
Yeah. Something about a drink cooler or something. We're at Noctua, so it's right over there. But so stay tuned. I'll link Steve's information down below. If you don't know Steve, now you know. All right.
Thanks, guys.
Peace.
Thank you.